Still out of range. Okay, as you can see, I have a driveway full of snow. So today I don't need to ride my bike, go spinning, none of that. My get off the couch is going to be shoveling this snow off my driveway. One thing with shoveling snow, you really have to be careful. Like I said, definitely use your legs, push if you can. That's what I'll be doing, pushing. I won't be doing any lifting and try to minimize that. But I definitely get some movement in. Like I said, the main thing is just to get out and move and do something. Okay? You know, I think I better call for some help. There's more snow out here than I realized. Let me get a favorite son to call and get him to come out here and help. Okay, we got it done. This is good enough for government work. All right, see you at the next stop. Okay, I got my exercise in today. Today it was in the form of shoveling snow. Not so much riding my bike or going to a spinning class. Hey, like I always say, the main thing is get off the couch, just move, keep moving. And shoveling the snow, believe me, I really did get a lot of movement in. Alright, just to kind of catch you up where I am on this journey, trying to re-engage myself. I told you I had fell off the horse, and now I'm trying to re-engage and get myself back on track. My glucose levels are still trending downward, but it's still haven't hit the sweet spot, that range I like to be in, that range between 75 to 85, 86 in that area. So I haven't hit my sweet spot yet, but things are going downward much better than when I first started. So I'm okay with that. One thing I am doing, I didn't share, I am taking cinnamon. That's something I did early on, then I kind of fell off the wagon. I stopped taking cinnamon probably about a couple of years ago. So I started back taking cinnamon. I take about maybe 1,500 milligrams. I think that's what it is. 3 capsules I get from GNC. Take about 3 of those on an empty stomach every morning. So that seems to work out pretty good. I didn't meet my goal this week of doing an activity at least 3-4 days a week, but I do have a good excuse. You see, the snow didn't stop me, so I got out there and shoveled the snow, so that counted as an activity. But I've welcomed my my first grand into the world this week, so that was I would miss all activities for that. So to have a new grand, that is awesome. I'm very geeked about that, very excited, and very thankful to have them. There's something I am going to do. I have a Monte Cristo #1. That's a Cuban cigar. I want to smoke this as a celebration for my new and first grandchild. He's the first. So I want to smoke that and smoke this in recognition of him. However, it's cold outside, so I can't go in the patio and smoke it. And going to a cigar bar to smoke a cigar with strangers, having surface conversation. Nah, that's not really how I want to celebrate this occasion. Wouldn't mind having a couple of close friends, maybe smoking it with them, or just sit on my patio by myself to reflect back on where I come from, where I've been, and where I'm going. That type of reflection. And as I really think about it, I probably need to go ahead and end this vlog, because as I think about it, I think I need to get someone to hold my mule. So anyway, like, share, comment, and subscribe.